Welcome to the top best. The best flagpole is probably one of the most iconic and visually striking additions you can make to your property, whether it's for a home, business, or public space, serving as a proud display of patriotism, a corporate emblem, or a simple decorative element that adds verticality and grandeur to any landscape. And choosing the right one involves more than just picking the tallest option. It requires careful consideration of material, durability, installation ease, and aesthetic compatibility with your surroundings to ensure it stands tall and proud for years to come. Number 5. Wevalor 20 feet sectional flagpole kit. This flagpole is constructed with extra thick aluminum walls, making it resistant to wind, rust, and corrosion. It's designed for an exceptionally long service life, even in harsh weather conditions. As a special gift, you'll receive a 3x5 100% polyester American flag. It features UV ray protection and resistance to chemical deterioration, ensuring it stays bright for a long time. With its 5-section design, installation is a breeze and requires no professional help. Simply insert it into the ground sleeve and attach the flag. It's also conveniently designed for easy storage when not in use. This kit comes with everything you need, including a 3x5 flag, a gold ball ornament, a pulley truck, halyard, stainless steel clips, a PVC sleeve, mounting hardware, and a user guide. We stand by the quality of our products with a 1-year assurance. Our goal is your complete satisfaction, so please reach out if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. This flagpole is built to last with its extra thick, rust-proof aluminum construction, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather for years. If you're looking for a durable and long-lasting flagpole that's also easy to set up, this is a great choice for your home or business. Its robust design makes it ideal for those who want a low-maintenance, reliable display. Number 4. FFILY 20-foot heavy-duty aluminum flagpole kit. Introducing a flagpole built to last. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's twice as hard as ordinary poles, ensuring it stands tall and unbent, even in strong winds. Experience premium durability with its heavy-duty, extra-thick aluminum construction. This flagpole is engineered to withstand the elements and remain a proud display for years to come. Enhance your outdoor space with its elegant black finish. This versatile design allows you to proudly fly 2 flags simultaneously, perfect for any yard or commercial setting. Setting up your new flagpole is a breeze with our clear instructions. When not in use, its clever 5-section design makes storage simple and space-saving. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit. From the flagpole sections and ornaments to the American flag and mounting hardware, you'll be ready to fly your colors right away. We are committed to your satisfaction. Should you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated customer service team is here to assist you every step of the way. What we like. Experience superior rigidity with its 2x harder aluminum, designed to prevent bending even in high winds and maintain a proud, straight display. If you desire a flagpole that offers exceptional strength and a sleek, classic black appearance, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a statement piece that is as strong as it is stylish. What people say. This flagpole is pretty nice. It has everything to fly 2 flags. It was easy to put together. This one is not telescoping, the poles slide into each other. This is nice because the clamps that hold the telescoping kind fail and the pole won't stay extended. It also has the pulley at the top to raise and lower the flag. Number 3. Service First Flagpole Kit Freedom Edition Black. Meet the Freedom Edition flagpole kit from Service First. It's designed for durability and ease of use, making it perfect for your home. This flagpole is engineered to endure extreme weather, including winds up to 100 miles per hour. It's built with premium materials for lasting stability. Enjoy a luxurious build with corrosion and rust-resistant features. Its telescoping system ensures quick installation and remarkable strength. The electroless plated finish offers enhanced corrosion protection for a decade. It also comes with a special plaque honoring service members. Get everything you need to fly the flag right away. This kit includes a gold ball topper, a USA flag, and all necessary hardware for a quick setup. As a veteran-owned company, we provide complete installation and warranty support right here in the USA. We're here to answer all your questions. What we like. This flagpole is engineered for extreme conditions, boasting a 100 mph wind rating and corrosion resistance for ultimate durability. If you value supporting a US-based veteran-owned company and need a flagpole that can handle the toughest weather, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for anyone seeking a high-performance, reliable pole with strong patriotic backing. What people say. It's easy to install, very sturdy and extremely attractive. The swivel attachments keep the flags from tangling. It is constructed in sections that telescope up and lock into place, making it very easy to put up and down. Number 2. IIOPE 20-foot heavy-duty flagpole kit. Introducing the IIOPE 20-foot heavy-duty flagpole. Crafted from robust 14-gauge aluminum, it's engineered to withstand strong winds and all weather conditions. Unlike competitors using thinner aluminum, ours boasts higher Bernal hardness for exceptional stability. This ensures your flag stands tall, year after year. This complete kit comes with all necessary hardware and a beautiful 5x3-foot USA flag. You can easily set it up yourself and proudly display your flag the same day. Easily hang 2 flags at once or adjust a half-staff for special occasions. Our design offers the flexibility you need for any display. IIOPE is dedicated to creating the best flagpoles. Our experienced team ensures you receive a high-quality product backed by years of specialized research and manufacturing. What we like. Constructed with higher hardness, 14-gauge aluminum, this flagpole offers superior stability and durability, even in challenging weather. If you need a robust flagpole that can also accommodate flying 2 flags simultaneously or quickly switching to half-staff, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate enhanced strength and versatility in their flag display. What people say. It is made of pretty sturdy aluminum, it looks nice in our yard, the size is just right. It is easy to assemble and put up. It holds my big flag, 5x8, and would hold a second flag too. The main thing I like is it's easy to put the flag at half-staff. It also holds up well in stiff winds. Easy assembly, appears to be strong and durable. Nice finish and quality hardware. Number 1. 20-foot heavy-duty aluminum flagpole kit. Introducing our 20-feet heavy-duty flagpole, engineered with an innovative patented design. Reinforced rings at each connection point significantly enhance wind resistance, ensuring it stands tall even in strong winds. Crafted from robust 14-gauge aluminum, this flagpole offers exceptional durability and rust resistance. Its large diameter bottom tube, up to 2.3 inches, further boosts wind resistance for reliable performance. Experience superior stability with our flagpole, made from aluminum with a higher Bernal hardness of up to 55. This ensures it remains stable and durable, outperforming competitors in all weather conditions. Everything you need is included in the package for a hassle-free setup. You can proudly display your American flag in your yard on the same day it arrives, no professional help needed. This flagpole makes a meaningful gift for fathers, husbands, or veterans. It's the perfect way to honor service and express pride on any patriotic occasion. Fly the stars and stripes with pride using this complete flagpole kit. It's designed for durability, ease of use, and a beautiful aesthetic presentation. What we like. Featuring an innovative patented design with reinforced rings and a large diameter tube, this flagpole offers significantly enhanced wind resistance and reduced breakage risk. If you're concerned about strong winds and want a flagpole with superior structural integrity and a visually appealing taper, this is the ideal selection. It's best suited for areas prone to high winds or for those who prioritize maximum durability. What people say. It is made of pretty sturdy aluminum, it looks nice in our yard, the size is just right. It is easy to assemble and put up. It holds my big flag, 5x8, and would hold a second flag too. The main thing I like is it's easy to put the flag at half-staff. It also holds up well in stiff winds. Easy assembly, appears to be strong and durable. Nice finish and quality hardware. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.